3-level ZZ semaphore system is an price action with momentum forex strategy. Time frame 1H, 4H or daily. Markets, forex, indices, futures, metals, gold and silver. MetaTrader indicators, Bollinger's bands, 18, 5, -2, Bollinger's bands, 18, 2, 0, Bollinger's bands, 15, 7, -3, moving average VIGT, 2, 1 HLCC/4, moving average VIGT, 2, 0 HLCC/4, 3-level ZZ semaphore, 5, 13, 34, CCI indicator, 21, color RSI indicator, 5, rules for 3-level ZZ semaphore system 3_level_ZZ_ semaphore equals the numbers 1, 2 and 3 signals the buy/sell/exit actions. Acts on the signal when all other indicators agree. 3_ZZ level semaphore, Original default settings for period 1 to 3 equals May 13, 2034, dots 2 and 3, repainting, serve as my guide for trend direction. Entry is made when color RSI and CCI to agree. Beta ray the entry color RSI buy signal when green bar above E10 level, sell signal when red bar below -10 level. CCI equals period 21, level 0 buy when line is above 0, sell when below 0. This conditions is optional. 2 moving averages buy signal when above middle bands of the guppy middle bands of the BB. Sell signal when below middle bands of the guppy middle bands of the BB. Exit position stop loss: 8 to 12 pips above/below the candle with the 3-level ZZ semaphore. 2 or 3 that you're basing your trade entry. Profit target: close first half at Bollinger Band's middle line. Allow the second half to trade until the opposing dot appears. Profit target predetermined. In the picture, 3-level ZZ semaphore with momentum system in action. The 3-level semaphore forex trading strategy should be used when trying to catch breakouts in the market. The basic idea behind this strategy is the ability to utilize the colored circles, which are actually meant to reveal the direction price is heading and when to initiate orders. The inclusion of additional indicators to this strategy is to minimize noise and to show clearly when actual trends are developing in the market. This strategy is built around the popular semaphore indicator and works for any currency pair of your preference. Let's consider some examples that will help you better understand this amazing strategy. Chart setup: MetaTrader 4 indicators, 3-level ZZ semaphore, X4, default setting, support resistance levels, X4, default setting, awesome OC, X4, inputs variable modified, demarker _trigger 8 equals 26 preferred time frames, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week recommended trading sessions, any currency pairs, any pair. Introduction to the 3-level ZZ semaphore indicator. Swing highs and swing lows are some of the most relevant price points for many technical traders. Price action traders use it to identify trend direction, while market flow traders use it to identify key price levels. However, most new traders would find it difficult to effectively identify swing highs and swing lows on a naked chart. The 3-level ZZ semaphore indicator is a tool which new traders can use to help them objectively identify swing highs and swing lows. What is the 3-level ZZ semaphore indicator? The 3-level ZZ semaphore indicator is a custom technical indicator which identifies the swing highs and swing lows of price action. It plots 3 sets of dots to indicate the swing highs and swing lows. Larger dots indicate major swing highs and swing lows, while smaller dots indicate minor swing highs and swing lows. The template of the indicator used here plots blue dots above price action to indicate a swing high, and red dots below price action to indicate a swing low. How the 3-level ZZ semaphore indicator works. The 3-level ZZ semaphore indicator uses 3 underlying zigzag indicators. The minor swing highs and swing lows are based on a zigzag indicator which is set to be very sensitive to price fluctuations, while the major swing highs and swing lows are based on a zigzag indicator which is less sensitive and more reliable. How to use the 3-level ZZ semaphore indicator for MT5. Since the 3-level ZZ semaphore indicator is based on 3 underlying zigzag indicators, its settings also allow for the modification of its underlying zigzag indicators. These modifications can be done on the various deviation, backstep, and period variables. The 3-level ZZ semaphore indicator can be used as a trend direction indicator using the concept of price action. Traders can identify uptrend markets based on swing high and swing levels that are consistently rising. Downtrend markets can also be identified based on swing high and swing low levels that are consistently dropping. The dots can also be used as a basis for identifying horizontal support and resistance areas or supply and demand zones. Buy trade setup: when to enter. Identify a demand zone based on a major swing low identified by the 3-level ZZ semaphore indicator. Open a buy order as soon as another swing low is identified by the 3-level ZZ semaphore indicator as price touches the demand zone. Set the stop loss below the support level. When to exit. Set the take profit target on the next major swing high level. Sell trade setup when to enter. Identify a supply zone based on a major swing high identified by the 3 levels ZZ semaphore indicator. Open a sell order as soon as another swing high is identified by the 3 levels ZZ